that's love. Now that's grind, that sucks. Closed out, now the vibe so different. Same charts used to tear my whole spirit. Took L's, wrote them down, had to learn that. Now I only chase plays I can earn back. Little pullback, then it ripped through the zone. My alert hit once, I was already home. Auto payout, on the way to the bank. Withdraw hit, now the balance giving bank. From the back, that's days, eating ramen at the desk. To the funded dashboards, blessings on refresh. Used to pray for one win, now they run in sets. Stack small dubs, turn them into big checks. Patient, patient, patient. Let the setup come, that's sacred. Same plan, new range, never fake it. Big win, same me, I just pace it. Profit target hit, hands up. All my payouts coming, that's us. Whole team green, we up. Yeah, we up. Yeah, we up. Profit target hit, hands up. Let the brokers spend the law, that's trust. Whole chart screaming, that's luck. Now that's grind, that's us.
When the screen turns fever and the charts all break, you're in my veins now. Every twitch, each tick, chasing every impulse. Yeah, you got me sick. I leave my fear at the login page, let you pull me into another wave. Heart rate racing like the price you raise. I'm begging you, don't ever stay the same. Volatility's my lover. When you move, I discover every spike, every shutter. That's the way we make it rain. You go wild, I get richer. Draw your curves on my fingers. Every swing cuts deeper, but I can't step away. You flip direction, like you change your name. You burn my balance, then you crown me king. You kiss my margin, then you bite my hand. But I keep returning for another dance. I let you drag me through heated nights, chasing blessings in your rolling dice. Hurt me, thrill me, break me twice, as long as you keep naming my price. Volatility is my lover. When you move, I discover every spike, every shutter. That's the way we make it rain. You go wild, I get richer. Draw your curves on my fingers. Every swing cuts deeper, but I can't step away. Rise you up, rise you down, let you throw me around. Red or green on your skin, either way I give in. You're the chaos I trust. Turn my fear into lust. I don't pray to the trend, I just want you again.
Count it up. 1, 2. This is a check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah.
Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing when while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They wrote me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stayed back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They wrote me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again. He the maestro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. El maestro. He the maestro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my chest, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to trip. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip, one and shit, turned into a chip. We in and out quick. El maestro, he the maestro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. El maestro, he the maestro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero.
Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing my job.
Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt, but you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift, then I did it again. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift. We in and out quick. Am I he the mindset, do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Am I he the mindset, do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero.
last hour. Tick tock. Who's left? Logan in the chair, screens glow like a war room. Chief on patrol, eyes locked on the chart zoom. Momentum on deck, he don't chase, he provoke it. Break line, snap, see him smash that. Order loaded, red, green, flipping like a strobe in a dive ball. Spread so wide, you could drive a whole truck yard. He ride the rip, never scared of a sharp dip. Stops tucked tight, hands ready with the fast click. This that MRC candle, whole floor too hot to handle. Last hour fuel in the tank, go. Let it melt, let it blast, let it rain. Whoa, 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 whoa. Power hour rage in the system. If you blink, then you miss some. From the bell to the close on the clock face. We ride that end of day shockwave. Power hour rage in the system. Power hour blink, then you miss some. Power hour rage in the system. We ride that end of day shockwave. Javi the maestro, fingers on fire, no rest. Scalps in the snap, every tick is a drum test. And then he gone like he vanished in a quick flash. 2, 3 points, then he goes with a clean stash. Buying that flush, selling rips on the rebound. Heartbeat sync to the tape and the feet sound. He served the chop, make it dance in the wild sway. Stacking up crumbs till the loaf hit him out.
You're recording. Everything's good. Locked and loaded.
Yep, we're locked and loaded, brother.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Javi the Maestro. It's January 15th, 2:45 p.m. We are trading the last hour of the market. Javi, how you doing today?
Pretty damn good.
Nice.
Can't
nice. How'd you
complain.
trade?
Pretty damn good. Can't complain.
Good work. Good work, brother.
As usual, I don't tally nothing up until afterwards.
Nice.
So I have no
Nice.
idea.
Nice, dude. I am currently in this long, by the way.
So am I.
Nice.
I am still in it.
QID, please stop me not to trade today. Only need $100. No, you're a grown man. Don't trade anymore. Stop
Yeah.
trading.
Stop trading. Oh, what did I just do? All right. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. All right, this one. And then these suckers. And then this guy. Then these guys. And these guys. I have to post that everything together. I hate how like it separates my groups. Like I group them together and then
Are you
the next
posting
day
your
I come
profits
in.
today?
Yeah.
So these are
I'm gonna try
mine for today. I'm up around, I think now it's around 15,000. Those are all funded accounts, 46 of them. 46
Hell yeah,
accounts,
dude.
all in the green, looking around $15,000 in profit.
That's crazy, bro. I love that, of course.
I'm getting trader exhaustion from this long.
I'm still up 50 points on this thing, so not 50 points. What am I lying? 25 points. I did the math so wrong there.
I was like, damn, you sniped that shit from the bottom?
Yeah, I know, no. I could have catch. I had the sauce box down here at 48 from December, and I didn't get that entry. I actually got in at 62. I couldn't catch the better entry when I saw it, but I'm up 20 points still in it. It might take me out here if it pulls back below 75. So All right, did I get everything? Alpha. I feel like I'm missing FFF. I am missing FFF.
Yeah, I caught that short. Great play on the short on FFF right before. I was like, I'm going to trade FFF today. We're an FFF sponsored show, and then I hit it for 1,000 each, and I was like, all right, I'm done trading. I'm not going to trade these accounts again.
FFs.
Wow, big failed bullish bearish move. Wow, 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 wow.
All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Just fucking go up. Look at the size of these wicks. It's fucking.
It's kind of stuck here.
All these are all bullish wicks. Just go up. Stop wasting my time. Or just
It
put
needs
me
to
out of my
really start
misery.
breaking over 95. I need to see it start getting over 795. All right, let's do the math now because I always put them up like that. And then I start doing.
Am
the
I
math.
sharing charts today? I guess I
Yeah,
am.
I did yesterday. Yeah, 16.
Okay.
That's 21. Hold on, I lost my count. 16, 23, 3, 36.
Showing you guys the NQ chart. I trade on MNQ. I'm not showing my MNQ chart because I have sauce.
23, 24, 27, 27, 6. Dude, I'm almost 30. Holy shit. 30. I'm like at 33, 34, 35. I think I counted twice. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I posted 7. Okay. 9. Oh, God, I hate this. 3.
There we go. Come on, hold.
There we
Just
go.
hold. There we go. Hold. Just go. Give me like 804.
All right. Just a quick math. I'm at around 30.
30,000?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Good shit, dude.
Yeah. I'm on a crazy run right now. It's kind of insane.
Yeah, this is a phenomenal week for me. Phenomenal week for me as well. We've been crushing it. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know how. I'm getting out of this trade. I don't care anymore. $20 in profit. Okay.
Oh, I want to see this hold over 95. I'm still floating in it from that 62 entry. Still up about 30 points on it.
Should just put me on tilt.
I want to see if this holds above 95 here. And then we can get this pushed back into the 820s. SPX needs to also break back inside of OR, but NQ is showing relative strength right now. NQ can break over 800, obviously, that psychological level. NQ is definitely showing a lot more strength. The DOM is going nuts. There goes. Trying to break through 800 again. Right now, the range would literally be 800 and 776, which would be an insane range. $35 points. I think this is good too. I might let this trail me out if it breaks below 90. Oh shit, I have them still paired. Even though it could still go. It almost took me out and have it at 88. Takes me out at 88. It takes me and took me out. That was a violent pullback right there. All right. 75 and 800 is literally the range I have right now. And SPX rejecting bottom side orb again. So definitely looking pretty bearish though. But if this 5-minute candle, I want to see a 5-minute candle start holding over 95. Then there's a potential for a shoot back up.
Logan, what do you use to copy trade all those prop firms? I trade each prop firm individually. So I group them by their prop and go one by one. Logan, was there a noon session today? There was not a noon session today, Ron. We had trading wheels. I had a meeting and there was no trades presented. We just sat in this chop zone all day. So I wasn't going to waste my time at lunch. There was no noon session. 46 accounts all on a Trade of 8 copier. I trade each prop individually. So I trade each account. So I do essentially seven good trades. Or if I didn't make quite a bit enough, then I'll do 14. I'll do another trade on each prop.
Gold is setting up for a potential short here, but I need to see it close below 619.7. Until then, it's in a range between 621.7 and 619.7. I want to see it close above or below one of those for gold. Silver is also kind of like stuck below these levels up here at 92.91. Gold 5-minute looks kind of funky to me. Is silver at all-time highs right now? No, all-time highs is up at 93.75.
What is Logan's spirit animal? None of them. None of those are my spirit animal. Not a single one of them. Logan, you trading gold or MNQ? Both. Preferably MNQ, though. Gold, I haven't been trading as much. I mean, that's not true. I made $6,000 on them last night on my Apex fundeds. But I prefer just NQ.
All right. NQ doesn't look like it's ready to pump yet.
My trading has been rough last few months, failing eval after eval. Finally passed one today, almost halfway on passing another locked in. Good job.
Very good job.
Everybody, make sure you guys are watching on YouTube also. Give us a like.
Yeah, tickle our bells. Subscribe, do all that stuff. Do all that YouTube stuff. All right. I think this is gonna make a lower low. I have my sauce box right now is at the 748-ish, 740 area. Below that, I have a level at 728 if this makes a new lower low here. Yep, there goes. Lower low. Looks like it's
Popping under the pivot level.
Trying to touch sauce box right here. It's like right on it, but everything is still pointing south. 2-minute. Looks like it wants to go. SPX. NQ is showing weakness, slight weakness. SPX did not make a lower low yet, while NQ did. Yeah, there you go. Let's look at metals. Oh, look at that drop on metals. Oh, well, gold did not move, did it? Kind of did, but silver rejected that level clean. Ooh, that would have been a good play. Damn it. Oh well. Oh well.
I'm going premature short here on NQ.
I want to see it get down to 28 for potential, but this is like a sauce box area for me, so this could easily bounce at this 40 area. But there's some room down if you can get down there. SPX looking SPX has a couple gaps below too. Ooh. But yeah, there was that bounce right off sauce box. Quick 12-point bounce, but I did not catch that.
I'm about to get into this gold short also. I need it to pop under 417.8, and then I'm going to go into it.
Yep. Stays under 619. It's looking good. It did break under 619.7. Oh yeah, it did. Yeah, under 619.7. And look at freaking silver's dumping hard. Silver is dumping hard. If this closes down here, this 1 minute closes down here, we might see a push. It's not looking bad at all, brother.
All right, I'm in the short on gold. We're still in the short on NQ. I'm double trading right now. I'm double dipping.
I joined you on the gold short.
Nice.
It looks too good. So I'm at 16.8 is my first TP, and then I'm going to trail from there because that's about my entry was 18.6. So
I'm going to go for 14.8. I'm going to go for 14.8 here.
So I got 20 ticks on that. Now it could retest that 19, but if it stays below that 19, that's ideal. That freaking silver dump. Wow. That's money on silver. All right. Silver's hitting close to a 5-minute level. Looks like this is a previous bounce zone.
Getting out of that NQ trade, and gold is now ripping up. What the fuck?
That stopped me out. Yep. That pulled back up to 19. So I had my first TP and then I got stopped out on that pull up. Yep. 619. So it looks like gold is kind of following silver right now. Silver hit this 5-minute level down below and it bounced. Well, it didn't fully hit it, but this has been a bounce zone for silver. And now gold, again, over 620.4. Gold could
Not
start
out of the
pulling
gold
back
trade
up.
yet. Not out of the gold trade yet, but I'm about to be stopped out.
I got stopped out on that pull right back up. I got the 20 ticks and I had back entry.
Nope,
So
now I'm
let's
out.
see
That
if
didn't
those
even, that was
two-
weird. Okay, I'm out of the gold
no.
trade.
I kind of have to take this gold long now. If this does close above 620, 620.5. If it doesn't, oof,
Back in its NQ short, by the way.
it gave me the signal. I kind of.
There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
617 is NQ dropping.
Beautiful.
Oh, NQ right at 6. Okay, this is
Beautiful. I
the
got back into it.
728. Hold on. The 728 is an area for me. Let me see if I could catch a little bit of a long there. Oh, no, I didn't get entry.
Moving all contracts to 41.50 and 46.50. 5-point difference.
I got in late. Shoot. Well, my stop loss is right below that 28. But if this rip, all right, now I got a bad entry. That's 37. I thought I got in before it ripped up. At 37.
All right, trim some there.
Come on,
and I've
come
got
on.
2 micros left. And then I'll scale in if we have an opportunity for it. Nope, never
There's
mind. I'm out.
47. Boom. Got my 10 points right there. That 28, they hit 30. That was that spot where I was looking at. Right bottom of sauce box and a level. Gold looks like it's still bearish. So I
Trim
good thing I
through
waited for
23. I'm going to get back into the short again for a third time.
that gold reversed hard. Good thing I waited for that closure.
Run through 23. We get in again. Gold is hesitating at the same level again.
Yep. Yep. Gold did not break over that 21.5. It closed below and then flipped the opposite side.
I'm not on GC or NQ. I'm showing you GC and
Keep
NQ
going.
because I can't show you my
Come
actual
on,
chart.
NQ.
I am trading MNQ and MGC micros.
You keep going. Come on. The Dom's going crazy up here at 50. This can break through 50. We might get some movement. Dom's going nuts right here. I'm up 14 points. There's 14 points. The Dom's going nuts. All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Good
Up
work,
20.
Scooter.
I'm getting out one. I'm getting out one here. Woo, baby. 20-point runner right there. All right. Got my runner floating now. There we go. Anybody caught that bounce right there? That was that 28 I mentioned earlier where I was eyeballing if it pulls back. Got my runner running. Very clean bounce. I got my stop set below 50. So if it pulls back below 50, I will get trailed out. Perfectly fine with that. MGC is just floating around this area right now. It's just messing around like in between these two zones I got.
Guys, help us out on YouTube. We got 600 of you in here. Please log into YouTube. Give us a like, follow, anything like that. Try and grow our platforms. Helps us do better. Helps us, production and content and everything run a lot smoother. Greatly would appreciate that, guys. If you don't, I'm not calling out any more trades, and neither is Javi. We're just going to fade each other and just call the opposite of where the trade's going to go.
Damn right. You guys can suck it. I'm kidding. I love you guys. I love you guys.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate you.
My runner is running right now. I'm up almost 30 points. I'm up almost 30 points on this runner. Come on, get 67. I'm up 30. Boom, 30. Who caught this long with us? Dude, Logan caught the short. We caught the long. Let's go, guys. Guys and gals, we up good. I am going to trail it at 60. I'm going to trail from 60. I am so freaking happy with this trade right now. Oh my gosh, that was the area I was eyeballing. Oh, love it. Love when it plays out like that. So clean. So clean. Let's keep going. Let's see if we can keep going. I got my trail under 60. Let's see if we can keep popping. I want to see 783 if we can get up there, but if we can't, I don't care. I'm taking my 20-some points and calling it a day. Ooh, almost took me out there. Almost took me out.
Possible of 778, Javi, around 779. I'll jump in.
Oh, go, go. 3Z setup here. I don't want to break 60. For break 60, I'll be out. Ooh, got really close again. Got really close again. It's testing that 60. Got my stop at 58, so it comes down there. It'll take me out. This is a potential 3Z here. Potential 3Z incoming. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, NQ. Pop up. Pop up. Come on.
Give it to him.
Give us 40 points, baby.
Give it to him so then I can join.
Give us 40 points. Come on. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. Come on. No, it's pulling back. It's looking like this might be a potential range spot for it. I need to see it rip through. I need to see it rip through 70. If not, this could start ranging.
Logan, YouTube is asking for your indicators. Pivot Hunter Pro. Pivot Hunter Pro. It is an indicator based on my strategies and how I trade. I developed it. I was basically, I came up with a strategy that has to do with pivots, market structure, orbs, all this other types of stuff combined.
All right, that took me out. That pullback took me out.
Yeah, and then we made an indicator on it. It's called the Pivot Hunter Pro, and we offer it here in the Discord if you guys want to check it out, get access to it. Then we also have a private channel. We have a manual, a YouTube. My YouTube also shows how to use it. It's very convenient.
Kind of like, oh God, man, I don't know. Like gold right now is kind of finicky.
So what you guys probably see right now is what I like is I have these levels, and when I see a print through of a dotted line with volume and force print through, that's an entry point for me. And I just be aware of other levels in the way. If there's no levels, cool. We've got a lot of room to go. So ideally, what I want is it to print through this blue line, enter, and then it goes. If the blue line disappears before we print through, there's no trade available. You got to wait for the next setup.
Yep, look, confirmed range for me. That purple candle. So range will literally be 70 and around 50. So 50 to 70 could be the new range spot. SPX needs to hold these levels here, needs to hold this level here at 50.
Average take profit amount on your Pivot Hunter. I mean, I shoot for usually at least one ATR. So if you look at the bottom right corner, I shoot for around on average about an ATR amount. I shoot for a 1-to-1 or multiple, and then I trim and have runners. So like, if you're looking at anywhere between 10 to 15 points ATR here, if it's on a 13, like it's showing, then, you go in with 5, 6, 7 micros, you're looking at $200, $300, $400, which is what I do. You scatter that out between multiple accounts, and then you have a $15,000 day like I have so far. Do you only trade with the Pivot Hunter, or do you use your discretion also? I use my discretion also. I also have special orbs. I have special market structure. I have news trading strategies. The market structure one has been doing really well. I just have a lot of different strategies. The pivot hunter is just, you can essentially, like when you take my course, I essentially show you how to use and draw out the pivot hunter. The benefit of having the indicator is it just makes your life much easier. You don't need it for my course. You don't need it for my trading strategy. It just makes your life easier. So you don't have to physically draw the lines and do the calculations yourself.
All right, gold made it to this next area at 14.6. Just created another little intraday saucy box here.
I really like this gold movement that we got going, but I know there's going to be a pull up as much as I want to get into this short. But here, look, right? So now
this whole area
gold is trickier than NQ, but if you're looking from a pivot hunter perspective, a print through 613, you would get through like around this area. You want to see volume, strong, fat candle, more body than wick, right? Proving that it wants to go in that direction, you'll click sell. Gold does have a tendency. So like now I would be in the trade, right? Now I would enter the trade, right? And you would shoot for about anywhere between a 1R multiple, 1.5R multiple, whatever you're looking at. Look at that.
If gold can rip under 612, this is going to drop.
Look at this.
Okay, let's go. Come on, let's see. Let's see.
Look at that. We've just dropped 20 ticks since we printed through the blue line. I'm a momentum trader, right? I'm a momentum breakout trader. So I see the signal, wait for a print of the blue line, enter the trade. And I'm about to hit my TP. Beautiful.
Because I'm playing my students know about the intraday sauce box play, and I did play this rejection up here. Well, you guys can't see it here. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this so you guys can kind of see it. What I'm talking about. It just broke through the other one. Oh, there it goes. I got 3 micros running.
Let's go, dude. Let's go, dude.
612, dude. Let's go.
Look at this gold trade. See, guys, see how this shit works? Beautiful. Hobby has his sauce too for it. It's perfect.
Yeah. Here you go. I'm gonna show you guys this. I got 200 some bucks on this already.
I've got 4 micros running in this trade right now.
That's
and
I got in at
I'm up $200 in this trade.
I got in at 46.16 on the rejection of that box and the creation of that level. Oh man.
Still holding this short. I got my stop losses at 411. See how beautiful that works? Very, very simple. Very simple. Everybody overcomplicates the fuck out of trading for no reason. I'm out of the trade. Cool.
Yep. I got trailed out right on that pull up, right? I got a level at 608. Where did it hit? 6091. So got trailed out on that.
Just like that.
Very nice. Very nice. 195 on that. Just a few micros.
Just like that.
Here. Just ignore that silver and half of the NQ. But
yeah, if you're curious about our record, this year so far, we haven't had a single loss. Last year we ended, I think, 118-2 or 3. 118-2, something like that. I can look through and find it for us. Let's see. Power hour. Last year we ended 173-1. I think it might have been 2, but still, pretty good record. We ended up having a 119-day win streak. Right now we're on an 8-day win streak. What time do you guys trade every day? Every single day, Monday through Friday, 2:45 till about 4:15.
Setting up for a push.
We do giveaways at the end of our show every day.
Shit, there's no clean entry for me. I mean, stop loss will be below 53, so it's about a 10-point stop loss from here. Oh, man. Okay, it's not horrible, I guess. This needs to hold above 53. If it closes,
that was clip worthy.
No-go.
Yeah, I agree. Drew, hopefully you clipped that me explaining that power hour trade, and then it just dropped perfectly. That's a really good clip for a trade, especially the stats, because I was in it too.
Looking to see if we can get that 70 retest here. If it holds above 53, it's a little bit of a pullback. This has to hold this 53 area. If it cannot hold 53, this trade will be no good. But this is potentially setting up, if it can hold above 53. Still got 2 minutes for this 5-minute candle. I'm not a fan of that, but.
Thank you, Random Al. Welcome, brother. Or lady, wherever you are. Do you guys trade XAA USD? No. So Hobby has a few different tickers that he trades. I primarily focus on MGC, which is gold, and MNQ, which is, NQ. I'm showing you guys right now NQ and GC because I can't show both charts, and my charts personally have sauce, secret sauce that I only show with my students, certain market structure levels, things of the sort.
Here's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at that level to hold, that 53 level. My 5-minute is trying to pull up. So I'm in it at 760. I'm looking for 770 right now. 765 would be the first 5 points on this. If I were to do my normal routine, I got 4 micros in on it. 7-point stop loss. If it breaks 7, I could put it at 10-point stop loss. I want to give it a little bit of room, but I want to see that 53 hold this last minute here.
Correct. I don't trade from TradingView. TradingView is a charting platform, guys. TradingView is meant for charting. You should trade on the actual platform that you sign with. So in my example, Trade8.
It's testing that 53. Don't break it, please. Don't break it. If it breaks it, I'll be out of it at 50. I got my stop loss at 50. It'd be crazy if this does a wick and flip on me too. 10-point stop. I mean, could add to my max size here at 6. Keep my stop loss at 750. Now my entry would be 58.17. And it's going to take me out. It's going to take me out. Wait, this got this 12 seconds right here. This closes below 53. This is dead play. Dead play. It's going to close below. It's going to close below. Yep, 2, 1, and I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Now I got a signal for a push down.
Major cons of trading from TradingView. There's a delay. TradingView has a fractional delay between TradingView or Trade8 or Wealth Charts or any of these other actual trading platforms. There is a delay. A delay can make a massive change in your trading. So I always recommend going directly to the source, which ideally would be Trade8, NinjaTrader, Wealth Charts, things like that. That's what I use. I only use Trade8 and Wealth Charts.
I'm taking this A++ setup right here that just occurred. Well, it's not A++. The only thing I'm worried about is that it's right in Saucebox. So this is a quantum play now. Looking for 39.50. Stop loss on this would be above 63. Now this is just playing the quantum stuff back and forth. I got 5 points. I didn't get anything else out of it for now.
No, you cannot trade
right at Saucebox. This is
multiple
right at
props on one
Saucebox.
account. No, unless you're using a third-party trade copier. But if you use a third-party trade copier, there tends to be errors and issues. So what I do is I go, for instance, like right now, I'm logged into my Lucid accounts, grouping all my Lucid accounts, trading them together on Trade8.
Give me 39. Give me 39. Yes. It got my 39.50 right there. All right, got my 10 points there. Now I'm putting my runners. All right. There you go. This was a pure quantum play here.
Ninja
I had to take that quantum signal. And I am floating now. I'm just going to leave one runner running. All right. Made back the L. I just took it, broke the level. I got the quantum signal. I had to take it. I had to take it. I couldn't ignore it. Now we're up. Now I'm up 15 points on my runner. Oh, there's the meltdown. Up almost 20 points. I'm trailing this close because that 28 needs to break. If this is going to keep going, 28 needs to break.
If gold pops under 38, gold pops under 3.8, I'm taking this short.
Oh, 28 breaking. Oh, shit. I'm up 25 points on this after that 110-point L. Now we're good. We're good. We're good. I got my stop at 35. If it breaks over 35, I'm out of this because 28 was a bounce zone. It wicked really fast, though. But I am holding my stop at 35. Come on. Hold 28, baby. Hold 28. Break it, break it, break it.
Gold is testing a level for me.
If it can break 28, she's got room. She's got room.
Beautifully testing.
Go.
Beautifully testing my level. It's bouncing right off of this market structure area. Okay. Yep. There we go. 3.8. This is what I want.
28.
Print under 3.8.
She's holding on to 28. Will it stop me out at 35? Or are you going to keep going?
Not yet.
Break
not
that
yet.
freaking 28.
For NQ, print under 18, I'm in. For gold, print under 38, I'm in. 3.8, 3.8, and 18.
Out. I'm out. All right. Took
They
me
both
out. If it
immediately
breaks
pulled up,
28,
so
it's
no
got real
trade
money.
entry for me yet. 3.8, and I'm going to go for around 18 on MNQ is what it's showing here.
All right, that's fun. It's fun so far. Oh shoot, that short's still shorting. Dude, look at that silver dump. Wow.
Yeah, gold's not
That
cooperating right now, though. It did, and then it
gold,
stopped. And I wanted to get into that short, but it's not presenting anymore. But
yeah.
NQ is looking a little bit more promising on a short for me.
If it breaks 28, I'm gonna love it even more. So I already got trailed out on that pull up to 35. Gold is going through a little pull down range. Pull down range. All right. Oh,
All
there
right, I'm in a
goes the
short. I'm in a
meltdown.
short on NQ. I'm in a short on NQ. Yep.
Who's still riding it? I got trailed out at 35. I couldn't enter again on that break of 28. That was violent. Maybe on this retest. There's a chance right there in that pull up. I think it could pull up a little bit more. If it could retest some of 28, if not, it could just keep melting down.
Yep, this is what we want. We want a
That
meltdown.
was a heavy breakdown of 28. Wow.
We want a meltdown. I'm looking for 705.
Next level for
And
me is
then
all the way down at
705 and then 98.
696. I got 696 and
There we
685
go.
next.
You want 705 and then 98.
Wow. Clean.
There we
Dude,
go. There we go. There
that
we go.
signal was clean.
There we go.
Oh, let's
There we
go,
go.
baby.
Keep
You
going.
know I
Keep
re-entered
printing.
that. I re-entered that
Yep.
with you, brother.
Yep.
Let's go,
I'm
bro.
up big, Javi. I'm up big, Javi. Let's go for
Another good
96.
power
I'm
out.
moving all contracts into profit, though. I'm moving all contracts into profit now. I'm gonna put it above this current candle.
Right at
And
sauce box.
I'm out.
That
I'm
hit
out.
that
I'm
hit
out.
right
Wait,
at
no, I'm not out. I have 4 micros left.
697.
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
I thought I was out.
what a ripper off sauce box. 697 on the money. I had 696 as the top of
Let me get
sauce
all
box.
contracts into profit. Let me get all contracts.
What
into
a
profit.
play, brother. What
Some
a
of
play.
my trails. I'm still in it. For whatever reason, all my contracts didn't move into profit. So I've got 4 micros left.
Javi, if I
Right,
buy
now
your
I'm out.
indicator,
Now I'm
does it
out.
come with instructions? Yes, it comes with the manual. You join the chat. All of our indicators have their own individual chat. In the chats, there's a manual. I also do sessions. I'm doing one tomorrow after the morning show. So you guys, if you're a quantum user, you get to join me when I'm doing those sessions. You get to ask me questions. You get to see my ugly mug, a lot more. So
That was a solid
remember,
trade, Javi.
that was an
solid fucking
amazing trade,
Javi.
bro. Yeah. An amazing fucking trade, dude. That thing melted.
I'm up 5, 10, 15, 20, $2,500 right now. Debating if I want to switch accounts. I'll do one more trade on the Lucids. One more trade on the Lucids, and then I'm going to rotate over to my Tradeifys. Shout out FFF, our partner right now. I would trade you, but I'm up $1,000 across 4 accounts, 4 bands. So I'm not going to touch you, FFF. Appreciate you, though.
Yep.
That payout.
So just so there's clarity for YouTube, right? When you guys see the blues and purples with the buy and sell signals, that is quantum. The other one that has the arrows, the green lines and the red lines, that is Pivot Hunter Pro for the YouTube guy, in case there's any questions.
Yeah.
So right now switch to quantum.
When is Logan doing a Pivot Hunter class? If they're, I don't know if Spliffs at 6 are doing a show on Sunday. If they're not doing it on Sunday, I will do I'll do a Pivot Hunter class Sunday evening. Sunday evening, I will do a Pivot Hunter class with you guys, 6 p.m. if there is no Spliffs at 6. If there is Spliffs at 6, I'll do it afterwards. Yeah, we'll do it afterwards. Now, just remember, it is Asia. It's not as pretty, but still.
The sauce box is getting mad respect right now. It bounced twice. It pulled back down into it and ripped up again.
Sponsor me.
And I think this is a December box. If I'm not mistaken, this is a December box.
I need energy drink sponsor, please.
And we got that level
Every single power hour. Every single power hour, I open up an energy drink and drink it. We have a lot
Kirkland,
of
sponsor me. I'll drink a lot of Kirkland water. Costco, give me free membership, bitches. I'm on pure water right now. I can't even drink like Coke Zero. I tried drinking a Coke Zero the other day. I took like 2 sips and I couldn't. I just couldn't. Like it made my stomach
that.
feel like it had acid all over it.
Be like that. So I also want to tell anybody who's new to the Pivot Hunter, if you guys decide to get into a trade like this, I personally would not get into this trade. Yes, we have a blue line. Yes, theoretically you could enter it. But my concern is every time I see another level, Pivot Hunter level, these green lines, red lines, it's all Pivot Hunter stuff. That's in the way. And I like, do I really want to get a 2-point trade? No, that's too small for me. I like to get some more movement. I like to catch a bigger trade than that. So I will not take that trade. Just a little heads up.
Let's see, questions on you. If you can only afford one, that might be a question, Martha, to ask in the MOT community channel. Check out the indicator testimonials as well, because all of our indicators have proven payouts. That's the only way we put something out. Pivot, quantum, range break, advanced
Hundreds of
form.
hours of back testing. Hobby, I remember when Hobby was coming up
Thousands.
with quantum, Hobby spent hundreds and hundreds of hours building it, back testing it, and then he also made sure to have tens of thousands of verified payouts from his indicator.
Yep.
And then he fixed it even more, and Owen and all of them. And then he was like, all right, now Logan, you try it out. And then I was like, quantum indicators, the fucking bee's knees. This thing is awesome. And then we were like, okay, we can release it to the public.
Yep. Yep. Then we put all the work into that, just like with PHP. Again, same thing. None of our things are simple. There's a lot of logic. Quantum is heavy as hell. Quantum is like one of our heaviest indicators. There's so much into that thing. And we're trying to make it lighter.
What that is.
It's in a range between these two boxes right now. All right, let's see. Make sure I got, okay. How long have we been trading? I have I've been trading options before futures. So in general, in terms of overall trading, I got about 5-6 years. Futures coming into 2 years in July. That's when I first dabbled into futures. In July of 2024.
1 year, 3 months for me.
Yeah. There were a lot of people that don't be afraid to trade them, Martha. If you have 20 funded, split them up. Don't trade all of them at the same time. I don't copy trade. Like I do not copy trade. I trade every single one of my accounts separately. Which
20
means I trade
accounts
a
at
lot.
once is crazy. I don't even do that.
I know. Like this is literally my job. Trading is my job. I love it. I've relied on futures income. My first futures payout, I've told everyone this. My first futures payout was October 9th, 2024. I started coaching in April. I had zero income from then until the middle of April, zero income, only future payouts. That's all I lived off of. And then after I started coaching, that money gets put away for my kids because I still don't rely on that.
Logan's
it's
basically
awesome.
a unicorn. What do you mean by that? What do you mean I'm basically a unicorn?
Yeah, what do you mean by that? That's a great question.
When did you feel like comfortable going from micros to minis? You know what's funny, Trevon, is I've actually started with minis, traded minis the last year, and recently I've rotated to micros and compounding accounts, which I enjoy much more. I shoot for $200-$300 per account per trade. I shoot for a small trade, base hit, group, and like today, I'm up $15,000 off that. 1 year at your level is insane. Profitable within a year. Yeah, Hobby and I both. I guess. I mean, we are technically fucking unicorns. A lot of people don't have the speed and rapid success that we had, but also respectfully, and Javi will agree with me, Javi and I also took a giant fucking risk and threw everything away at the idea that like we're gonna make this work. And we always tell people, don't do that. Like, make sure you're good on your job first before you fully commit to trading. But Javi and I were like, we have to make this work. Like, this is it. This is it. We committed to it. We took the Mastermind course. We have the luxury where our mentor is Max, who's a legitimate teacher and mentor and trader. Not, screws people over like everybody else hears about like different traders and scammers. And it worked out for us. Max is a phenomenal teacher and coach, taught us how to trade. And then Hobby and I developed our own strategies. Hobby went into the quantum and the soft box and his way of trading, and I went into the pivot hunter and the CSO way of trading. So you learn from somebody who's a very successful trader, and then you learn on how to adjust it and make it fit your personality and who you are as a trader.
Yep. I'm playing these bounces off a sauce box right now. I'm looking for it to tap 85 eventually, but every time I hit sauce box, I've been catching 10 points.
How do you only trade for 1 year and have a course? You know what's funny? Coffee trades there's definitely some people who like question it. Will say this guy doesn't have enough time under the charts or whatever. I have proven I can pull up the statements. I can pull up from each prop firm. You could contact the CEOs of these prop firms. I have well over 5 to 6 figures from every single partner promo that we have. So I've had pulled out well over multiple $100,000
receipts
in my 1 year.
We actually
receipts.
show our receipts. Like
Yeah.
we've posted. Like I'm not a fan of posting my payouts because unfortunately it comes with people begging, and I have family that see my content, and
Yep.
some friends I've had to disconnect from that just see you as money. And holy crap, that long is longing. So, you know, I don't like to share them too much. So the last, I think right towards the end of the year, I did divulge a little bit of what I made literally the last couple weeks of December, like which I had a freaking run the last 2 months of the year. But you know, again, we show receipts. Like you guys could go look at our socials.
Hobby
We've shown
330.
receipts.
Just giving you a heads up.
That was the 330 volume right there.
No,
Oh,
in 20
shit.
seconds. I'm just letting you know it's in 20 seconds. I don't know
Well,
if you're
my
in the
long
trade
is
or not.
I'm up 20 points right now. I got my signal
Nice.
got kicked in right off sauce box. So my runner is running. My runner is running.
Yeah, like even what I'm doing now is I'm literally posting on my social media. I'm showing like the account numbers on all 46 of my accounts. I'm now showing the account numbers, like just to
And I got
show
trailed
the
out.
legitimacy of my trades, everything. I've
That was
shown the
clean.
payouts. I've posted my bank statements. I've posted like 50 statements from all the prop firms saying into this account, into that, like showing it, because a lot of people think, hey, these guys are gurus or they're fake trading. Logan, what do you think helped you become profitable so fast? Locking the fuck in. This shit's got to work. And so I can get the fuck out of a combat zone, and also investing in my education. And I invested in a mentor who taught me how to trade and how to have that discipline.
Yeah. Like that, having that mentality of this needs to work, it can be a double-sided sword, but you have to combine that with discipline. Like I had needed this to work as well. Like I had no job, I had nothing because of my car accidents and my back, and I couldn't work, right? I needed it to work, but it wasn't until I slowed down and I put my rules and I was strict to my damn rules that it finally started clicking and working. And I scalped this shit again. I scalped this again.
High Risk
The bounce
Ghost.
from
Yeah.
700.
High Risk Ghost was an OG student with me. So he's seen me from the bottom, from where I came.
That was fast. Already got trailed out. These are so fast. These bounces from sauce box and this level at 775.
Danny getting his first payment. Let's go.
Let's go. There's a couple people getting their first ever payouts, which is so awesome to see. Because I remember that feeling. That feeling was so surreal, so great. And what you do after that, right? Don't treat that account like all of a sudden you got what you got out of it and now it's a trash account. All right, broke 706. 700.
Is there any prop affiliated with MOT that you haven't rinsed? So Apex, I'm about to get a payout from. So Apex, I haven't rinsed. I'm getting a payout from them. And then Lucid is a new partner promo. So those are the two. The other ones, I've taken a lot of money from them. A lot of money from them. A lot.
Yep.
Like 6
Apex
figures
is the only one I still haven't gotten a payout from. But there's a couple other props I can't mention because we're not partnered with them that I've gotten payouts out of 8 different props so far. Gone live with 3. So I go around shopping for props to rinse.
This guy just say, why don't you call your trade before you place it? Are you fucking with us?
We do. What are you talking about?
My man.
Is he talking about me? I'm scalping 700 because of my levels. You won't be able to see this unless you have my sauce. I mean, and the quantum level. I mean, it's up on the chart right now, honestly. I've been scalping this. I'm up 100 and something bucks just scalping this with 2 micros.
How do you come, Hobby?
Oh, it's up 50 bucks.
I'll shoot this question for you. So Mr. A284 from YouTube asks, how do you combat going tilt?
It's difficult. It's one of those things that you have to just take a break. I always just took a break. My way of combating tilt was taking a break. And then I have sets of accounts where if I want to go tilt, I take it out on those. And it tends to be evals. It really almost all the time I take it out on evals. If I'm feeling spicy and I want to just say fuck it, let me see if I can make bank on like a TPT Pro or something. It'll usually be on a 50K or 25K, something small. And then if I blow it, I blow it, and then I stop. That's it.
The way that I think about it is kind of like what Javi said too. The way that I approach it is you want to try and limit how bad the tilt gets. So for me, like Javi says, you know, he'll go into an eval or whatever his other accounts. For me, if I'm on tilt and I'm trading an account, I'll just tell you straight up, that account is gone. Like I will trade it until it's either at $1 billion or it's at popped. That's the tilt that I'll go into. The concept though of me having 46 accounts will help limit that. So if I pop 4 or 5 accounts, fine, but I still got another 40 accounts. Now, unfortunately, last year, twice, I was up $40,000 on one account, $40,000 in profits, verified profits on a funded account. Now, unfortunately, after I withdrew $15,000, I went on tilt and I lost $40,000 because I go into one account and I go on tilt. It is what it is. You just want to try and limit it.
All right. I traded today. I traded, I think, 8 or 9 accounts. I have no idea how many accounts I traded in total. I think it was 10 or 11, right? When I get bored on accounts I don't care about. Super cheap accounts. These are those 2 accounts. Out of all the accounts that I traded, one hit daily loss limit. That stopped me. The other one I blew. That's from today. Out of all those accounts that you saw me trading on here, those are the only 2 that I was bored trading, clicking random buttons with. And that's it. Out of the 9 or 11 accounts, I don't even know how many I traded up on the thing. I don't keep count. And those are the ones I have my fun with. And I take it out on those when I get bored. And those are not funded. They're evals. One has the daily loss limit. It stopped me at 1K. And that's how I hold myself, right? I lose to what? Guess what? Every time I do that, I take a break. I go drink some water. I have a student coming up or something that's going to stop me. And I'm going to be like, okay, and now I'm not going to be bored trading. But when you wait for your setups and you're patient, that's where you get those good wins, those consistent wins. When I'm not patient and I'm bored trading, that's where that happens. That happens when you trade while you're bored and you're just trying to play the price action that you're seeing because it's not doing a damn thing. And you're just clicking to click.
When's the
So
last
it's
time?
not easy.
When's the last time you popped a funded account, Javi?
The last time I popped a funded account, it's been like 3 or 4 weeks now.
I was going to say, mine was probably about 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks
Yeah.
ago, I popped a funded account.
What's
I mean,
today's
whatever.
Yeah.
And now I have 46 funded accounts. You know what I mean? Like, whatever.
Exactly. See, that's the
You know what I
thing. You only take it out on a handful. I have a
Yeah.
shit ton of, I have 8 different props I trade. I have
Yeah.
a shit ton of accounts. I don't get to trade them every day. Oh, that long is logging again. Oh, is my runner still running or no? Oh, my runner got taken out.
How come no Apex payouts? So my reason for no Apex payouts, Apex is a really, really fucking good prop. And a lot of people have issues with Apex, but they don't realize the potential of compounding these accounts do. The top traders that I've met have withdrawn hundreds of thousands of dollars from Apex. My problem was it was psychological. When I first started trading, it was Apex. Before I even knew how to trade, I was loading up 20 accounts, full port to pass, fail. Load up 20 accounts, full port to pass, fail. Get it pass funded, full port, fail. And I ended up going through hundreds of Apex accounts. So I had a huge psychological issue with it. Finally, with wealth charts, and we got the group trading, and I can use my ATM settings. I said, it's time to lock the fuck back in. I've rinsed every prop firm except for Apex. Now I'm in it. And now I'm about to get a payout from them. I'm up $60,000 across their accounts. And I'm about to get a payout from Apex, pass the buffer. And then I'm just going to keep rinsing them like I've done all the other props. But people hate on Apex because the intraday drawdown, they say it's hard and all this stuff. Just follow the rules. All these props, I know every single prop that is a partner promo of us, we've gotten payouts from. Max has gotten, I think he said 20 something payouts from Apex or something crazy.
Yeah. Yep. I have not got a payout yet. I haven't. I had a certain wall that was preventing me from trade Apex because, I don't like rules. I've always been a person that doesn't like authority and stuff. Like I'm always against it. So I saw their plethora of it. But again, right, every prop firm has their thing in play for a reason. Now I treated
Max
those
just
accounts
closed
candy.
out. Sorry, Javi. Max just closed
No,
on
go
a
ahead, man.
30-unit
Closed on
mobile
a
home park.
30-unit mobile home.
30-unit mobile home.
Damn. Is there a nice mobile home for me there when I come down there?
That's a good idea. I didn't think about that.
I'll build a big ass house.
Yeah, fuck this
Too
expensive
big.
ass apartment. Too big? Even for one little mobile home? Oh, he's too big. I'll
I'm
take a
too
mobile home.
big. Yeah.
My apartment's too expensive. Fuck this. But yeah, I've gotten 10,000 K from Apex, but 20 more funded accounts going now. They do pay out as long as you follow the rules. Of course, it's at every prop. People complain about a prop. I had somebody message me earlier, not message me, saw in one of the chats, and they were complaining about where they're like, yo, just letting you guys know this partner, like they've denied 2 people. And I'm like, that's crazy because I trade like a psychopath and I've gotten paid out multiple times.
Yeah.
I said, it sounds like your buddy and his friend
That's
are just not following the fucking rules. Like, and people
too
want to
early
bitch
for
and
MLC
complain.
read.
They're not paying me out. It's like, did you break the rules? The rules are right there. You can look them up. You probably broke the rules.
Yeah. I my first payout with FFF was denied because I broke a rule. I overscaled. That happens. I went.
I
This was
did
before
the
they
same
put
thing.
the automation. Yeah.
Yep.
Before they put the automation in, I went in. They showed the thing, and I was like, "Oh dang!" I went over by like 3 contracts or something on micros, and I was like, "Oh well." So I moved on to the next one, did it all over again, and then got the payout by being very cautious and careful that I made sure I didn't overscale. Now they got it automatically locked in where you don't have to worry about that. So that's awesome. But that's
Mr.
it
X.
happens. We make mistakes here and there.
Mr. X says, what about
Oh,
TPT?
this hit my
TPT, I
level.
have withdrawn more payouts from TPT than I have any other prop firm. In the month of October alone, I withdrew $40,000 from them. I think that was October. I think November, Apex, I pulled out another $40,000, $50,000. I had like one day I had multiple $10,000, $20,000
Let's
days
go.
withdrawals from TPT.
Give me 71450. Dude, I missed the breakdown all the way up near really close to that level at 685. It shot up, but I just the break over 700 again. I just got the quick
So boy, congrats on the Apex payout. 3,200. That's pretty good.
quick
All the rules, you're good. Yeah.
almost 50. Almost gave me 50 points. It hit 712 though. Almost. Every time it breaks over 700, I'm just taking what it gives me. There we go. Come on. Give me the 15 points.
Which prop firms do you like a lot? So right now, so if you guys look at FFF, they got a discount going right now. You can get their accounts for, I think, like, I'm a big fan of their classic plan. Gives you a bigger drawdown, 2 days to pass. And I think it's like, what, $35 today? If you buy one of their FFF accounts, 50K account, $35. You get 4 of them, $31. Wow. Okay, even better. $31. You spend $120 max allocation, and you can just start rinsing them. So FFF right now is a big partner promo of ours that I like.
Ladies and gents that keep asking for MOC, there are 0 MOCs until about 5 minutes or less before MOC happens. For the time being, I'm waiting for it to float around. When 745, 40 up, there's my 15 points. Thank you. Q. Okay. Anyway, ooh, she going. Okay. Before MOC, the read has to happen usually a couple minutes to 3 minutes before, but I have to get a general idea of what the market's doing. So before then, don't ask about MOC. There's no
Logan,
read on MOC.
Do you like Tradeify? Yeah. So I like all of our partners. And if you look at them, a lot of them are very similar. So I have the Lucid Flex, the Tradeify Flex, the Funded Nex, and Alpha Futures Advanced. 4 of our partner promos all allow 5 accounts and a payout every 5 days, withdrawing 50%. So if I'm doing the base hits, let's do the math here. $200 over 5 days is $1,000, right? So now you do $500, right? Because you take half of it, the rest goes into your buffer. $500. Now you multiply that by 20. Every 5 days, I get to withdraw $10,000. If I do base hits bare minimum every week on just those 4 partner promos, I get to withdraw $10,000. Now that doesn't include FFF, which is every 7 days. Doesn't include TPT, which is every day, and it doesn't include Apex, which is every 8 days. It's a good way to build money, guys. Very easy way. And you just trade them.
Yeah.
Base hit, withdraw half of it. The rest sits in your drawdown. Do it every 5 days.
I'm up 20 points on my runner. Oh my God. That break of 700. I wish I caught it down here on that test of 85. Obviously, it didn't get 85. It got 86, but I wasn't paying attention because that would have been a hell of a catch. But the break of 700 was still good. Got 20 points of that, baby.
After passing your eval and Tradeify, I like the weekly. I'm a weekly guy. I like buffers. Or sorry, I don't like buffers and I don't like consistency personally. A lot of the partner promos we have, yes, but I would prefer end of day drawdown, larger end of day drawdown, a decently large drawdown in a 50K. And I also like end of day, normal, payout every 5 days, something like that. Yeah.
I'm the opposite. I like consistency. The drawdown can vary. I can easily get payouts out of 25Ks. I just adjust my sizing. That's it. Like sizing to risk. Outside of that,
Is my camera frozen?
yeah. I've got a payout out of every size account actually. Is it? No? Wait. Move?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah. You're
All right.
moving on YouTube, you're not moving on Discord.
All right, I'll be back. Why does this
I
happen
do prefer no
every
daily
single
losses.
episode this happens? You notice this,
Yeah,
Avi?
I know.
Every single
It's
episode,
freaking YouTube.
you and
I mean,
I
it's
have
freaking
this.
Discord. Yeah.
It's only
freaking
Discord. YouTube, I'm great. It's so annoying.
Yeah. I know. I used to think it was me. I'm like, it can't be me. All right. Currently, the major area on NQ is 700, that psychological level. I got a 5-minute level there right now. Below that is 685. If it breaks below 685, let's say it breaks below 680, because Saucebox ends at 680, I have room down to 644. If it breaks 644, I have room down to 622. But it's been respecting this December Saucebox, and currently that 700 area, SPX has gaps below and above.
Look at all these gaps on gold. Look how sloppy gold is right now. I'm not touching that.
Yeah, I've been telling you, gold is like going from one range to another, then just moving all weird. Yeah. Gold is telling me to buy right now, but I don't like it too much. It could go.
I'm chilling right now. I'm up.
Silver's
power
setting up for
hour.
potential long here. If this 5-minute candle can close above 92, 91, no.
150.
91.75.
450. I'm up $750 on the power hour right now, I think. Yeah, something like that. So I'm chilling.
Gold's looking weaker than silver. Gold pulling back, silver is not moving. Silver setting up for a potential push here. While gold is setting up for who knows what. Like gold doesn't know what it wants to do. So, 91.70. Gold needs to hold above 46.11. Let's take a look at NQ. We got about 4 minutes. Currently, the 700 is the stomping ground. 700 psychological level. It is getting pretty damn tight. I would like to see what it does around here. If it stays above 7, it could test 685. If it does break 700. But she's just floating right now between the 700, 685 area and up to 725. Back and forth, back and forth. Woo!
So do y'all copy trade on every prop? I group each individual prop together with its own accounts, and then I trade them together. So right now I have 5 Lucid accounts that I'm grouped up and I'm trading together. Then after if I catch one more trade, I'm going to go to my Tradeify groups, trade them together. Then I'm going to go to, you know what I mean? I trade each groups individually. If anyone is contemplating the indicators on Pivot Hunter Pro and Quantum, go invest. Sema up 6, 12, 18, $2,400 with the PHP and Quantum. Good work, my boy.
Sema killing it as usual. Sema have been collecting for a while, man.
ATM settings when you group trade. Nick, do you pay attention to my classes? Have you gone into my course? I have a way now to manually do the ATMs for group settings.
Let me turn these boxes off for now. It's kind of drowning me for the time being.
I would love to see a session of you guys only trading minis as a YOLO session. My friend, we have done that so many times. I've actually had to stop doing it. And then Javi was doing it nonstop. And then I see Javi doing it. I'm like, I want to do it again. We literally do it. We do it too much. We were doing it during FOMC and hitting bangers.
Yeah. We were. That was fun.
And it was insane. And like now I'm like, I got to chill out.
All right.
Logan, your voice
700. 700, 685. If it breaks 700, I'm looking at 685. But right now,
do you use quantum only, or do you need pivot? No, quantum is its own strategy that Javi developed. You can use quantum entirely by itself. You do not need pivot hunter with quantum. Quantum is a very, very strong indicator by itself.
Yep, exactly. Every single one of the indicators is good by themselves. Sometimes, if you want extra confluences, it's good to pair them, but that's up to you. That's up to your discretion.
Logan, do you do coaching or did you do a course now? I have a course now. Now, after the event, I will open up coaching again. It's going to be more expensive than my course because my time is valuable. But right now, I have the course available. But if you get access to the course, every single day, I'm uploading a new video. Every single day, I'm live trading or I'm doing a recap or something with my students every single day, almost every single day. I can't promise every day, but we have like 20 hours of videos, of recaps, of live trading, of classes.
All right, here we go. 685 is coming in. 685 is coming in. I want to see this hold above 685 for a long. If it breaks 685, 680, we're going to drop. All right. That's what I wanted to see right here. I wanted to see this pull down below that 700 and test the 685 for the potential long. It's already kind of pushing up.
On NQ?
Yeah. It hit 690.
I'm going to wait.
So it's already ripping above 700. This is looking like it may do a little bit of a push up here incoming, but this needs to break 707 next. So it might be smart to wait here. Now that it's pulling back up, it needs to stay above 685. There's 685. There's 685 right there. All right, there it goes. Now, will it hold or will it break? It's pushing up. It's having trouble continuing up. All right, let's see. That tested 685 and then ripped itself back up. No good entries on this, really. I got in at 93 with 3 micros, but I'm not feeling good about it because it wasn't the best entry. I wish I got that wick was so fast, bro. That wick was so freaking fast. But if this breaks 85, I'm out of it. I'm out of it.
Pops under 73, Javi. I'm going to go short.
Yeah, this is looking very weak, but it could still rip out of nowhere. So this is my entry right now. Bad entry. But if want to see what it does at 707 once it gets up there, if it gets up there. So bad entry.
Oh, you got volume on the up move.
All right, here's my 10 points. Got my 10 points right there, but I want to see a push further into 707 and test. Let's see, there's 707. Oh, let's go.
There you go. There you go, Javi. Good shit.
Let's go, baby.
There you go.
Let's go. Let's go. I got out one here. That needs to hold above 707 now. Need to see a hold above 707. And we could get some more push, but it needs to break above here. It needs to really start ripping. The stall out is not too good because if it rejects here, it could come back down. So I went out a couple. I got one floater left. Pause right at 707. Hit the pause right there. So right now we got 685, 707. So if this pulls back, my last runner is trailing at 693. So that's where my runner will get trailed out. Does IQ options? I haven't traded options in a while. I did trade, I think QCOM was the last contract I traded last year where I got that big ass banger. All right, 607 held. If this breaks, my runner is running from entry. So I want to see if it continues, but if it doesn't, that's it. 707 held. And here's the screenshot of the 2 levels. Literally the 2 levels I was looking at. That's MOC respects these quantum levels to the freaking T. Sauce box is right there in between, so ignore the sauce box. But that was that 707 rejected, could not hold above it, and I am trailed out. Boom. Okay. Very, very nice. Quick. Almost 20, almost 15, 16 points. That was it. That's all it gave us. Now we're back at 685.
Stuck in this range.
Yeah, that's it. Just stuck in the levels. All right, we want to ignore the sauce box for now. Here, I'll hide it because right now it's not really.
The torture candle is
any
part of the Pivot
effective.
Hunter Pro, or is it part of TradingView? It's just a part of TradingView. It has nothing to do with anything. It's just a premium.
Yeah. Yeah, if it holds 685, it's just going to range between 685 and 707 potentially. That's it. Now there you go, MOC. That's it. Doesn't want to break either direction, so she's just floating in the middle. All right, going back up.
Logan's spirit animal is a turtle. Interesting. Out of all the animals, I didn't think you guys were going to pick
That's
turtle.
what I'm waiting for, that 55 volume. Right now, it's still looking slightly weak if it can't break. So I think if this breaks 85, we're going to come down. But it still needs to close below it. It's floating slap dab in the middle.
Logan, do you like this
Literally.
entry dotted line? I don't see a dotted line. Luda. Dotted line 673. Did it go away? It probably went away. It's gone now, so I don't take it into consideration. Wait, I'm not sharing anything, am I?
Doesn't look like it. No, you just got PHP up.
Okay.
Ooh, ripped right back to 707. All right, this, oh, it's ripping it. It's ripping it. It has to stay above though. If it stays above, this is going to rip. Oh, I'm tempted. But I don't like to trade after freaking this 355 candle, man. I'm kind of tempted here. Oh, what's it doing? Oh my God, it's testing 700. It has to stay above 700, but this could do nothing. Oh, it's broke back down. It broke back down. I don't think, oh man, I don't know. Right now, if this holds 702, there's a chance. But if it breaks, again, 685 for the way down. I did get a little bit of a signal if it holds 702, but I don't like trading at this time.
Why do we have 173 people watching? Oh, we have 180 likes. Got it. We're good now. Everybody get pissed. Just start throwing hands. The likes don't update for me, I guess.
Oh my God.
You want a end of day, no consistency, quick to funded 50K?
Nope, it's not doing
Alpha,
anything.
Alpha Futures, Lucid, Tradeify, funded next.
See it. Come on, give us a big just explosion.
Oh, Javi,
out of nowhere.
I don't know if you saw this. I was fucking around on my computer yesterday, dude. Right when we were done trading, look at this candle. Oh, I got to show you on my other chart. Look at this candle that happened. Like you and I were done trading last night. Right here.
The hell
454. I have no clue what happened here. No, 4:54 p.m. Like after power hour, 45 minutes after power hour, before the market closed, a 75 fucking point candle just came out of nowhere. I'm just sitting here, I'm uploading our power hour, and I'm like, holy shit, just like out of nowhere, 75 points.
Ooh, we're coming down.
It's probably like a Trump tweet or something.
Must have been something. I did not see that because I stopped looking at my chart until.
I usually do. I just was like fucking around, like uploading the videos, and I just saw it, and I was like tempted to like log in and be like, what the fuck? Like you catch a trade 6 minutes before the market closes.
Yeah. Yeah. She's just chopping right now. She stayed in this range. It's just inside this range right now. Literally couldn't break over 14. Yeah.
I think I'm done for the day. I'm happy with my numbers.
We don't have news tomorrow or nothing, right?
No. Today was actually a garbage day. Besides one or two good setups, I got really lucky today, Javi. I made all of my trades in Asia and pre-market. I took one short on NQ in the market open, and I managed to hit all 46 of my accounts today before the New York Open really happened, because then we just chopped. Like the entire rest of the day
like
was just
right now.
garbage. Like you had maybe one or two good setups, chop, 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 garbage, one pivot hunter trade, garbage. Maybe one, three. Oh, we just took this one. This is one that we took already during Power Hour. Just been garbage. Terrible price action today.
703.
Trump was speaking during that
685
time.
and 703. If this breaks 70, if this breaks 685, a lot of room down.
I got the range breaker yesterday and it kept me from over trading today. Range breaker
Very nice.
definitely saved people today. If you had the range
Yes.
breaker indicator, absolutely. Do you use SPX to determine if you jump into a trade or just NQ? No, I only use NQ.
Yeah, I use SPX. I do
We'll
use
plan
SPX
on
as an added confluence.
F. Does Lama's indicator have fibs? I think so. Logan, what plan on FFF would you recommend? I like the classic. It gives a little bit bigger of a drawdown, but Premier is good. I know Javi likes the Premier.
Yep, I like the Premier.
No place to put code. There definitely is. Check through everything. How much are these indicators? $30 a week or $99 a month? One good trade, like today. Fucking Javi and I took 3, 4, 5 trades. You took any of those, you would have paid for your indicator, just like that.
Yep.
Very, very easy. When you buy a course, do you buy the indicator also? No, they're separate. They're separate. But again, my course does not require the Pivot Hunter indicator. I teach in one of the videos how to build and draw out the indicator yourself. But Pivot Hunter Pro definitely makes trading easier. I built this indicator. I could theoretically draw out the lines and do all this stuff myself, but it's a pain in the ass. And I don't want to have to do the calculations and do all that. So instead, I use the indicator. It makes my life way easier. FFF's max payouts are smaller than other firms? Not necessarily. Depends on the size and what you do. What size micros would you recommend on that for a funded account? Kyle, you got to sign up for the course for me to tell you how to use how to manage your trades.
If I were to if I were to show people how to do quantum manually, their heads would explode.
CC, tagged in the
There
it's in
goes
the
the
pinned channel.
long. There
Shows
goes
my
the
YouTube.
long. There goes the long. I actually tested this because I was like 85 is such a low stop loss. I trailed out already heavy. Oh
Thank you,
my
Paul.
gosh. That 85 got respected. It's so clean. The 85 could not break. Holy crap. I'm up 30 points right now on that explosion. I don't like to take trades after 4, but this is kind of like, if you guys saw my face, I was kind of like,
How long, Javi, how long does it take to learn your strategy?
that's on you. It's just like anything, right? It took me a while to really lock in on what Max taught me. I had to watch the first class like 5, 6 times. But it really depends on you. It's all individual. Some people I've taught picked it up super fast. Some people who learned quantum picked it up in a couple days. Others might take a couple weeks. So it's very individualized. You guys can go check out my YouTube channel for everything about quantum, right? My other strategies, the sauce box, the intraday sauce box, my orbs, things like that I use, exactly with the confluences, the added confluences that I use that I learned from Max that I'm now able to teach. I do teach in my coaching sessions. I think somebody asked if I do mentorship. I do not do mentorship. It's just coaching. My coaching sessions are supposed to be an hour and a half, but they're well over that, like 2 hours plus.
To learn mine, I currently have almost 20 hours of content that you can go through. Same thing with hobby. Depends on the individual. Some people pick it up instantly. Some people, it takes them a long period of time, right? It's all personal preference. Some people need to just watch me trade live. Some people need to just do it themselves. It's all personal preference. It's like anything in life. Everybody learns on their own. How many trades per day? I take on average now, I'm looking at anywhere between 7 to 14 trades a day. Maximum 7 to 14 trades. Javi, how many would you say?
Per
there
account?
Is no number.
Per account is 5 to 6. So do the math on that, because I trade 6 to 10 accounts per day, right? It just depends on how I'm feeling. If I'm busy, if I'm in the office, if I'm not. Obviously, I trade on my phone all the time, but I do not copy trade. I don't copy trade. Trading is my video game. So I don't like some of you guys take a break and you guys go play Fortnite or Gears or whatever you guys are playing nowadays, because I don't even know. Guess what I'm doing? I'm on my phone fucking trading. So that's why I trade so much.
Charlie says, I have Logan's course and did a one-on-one with Javi. Great combo for someone who was still very new to trading. I picked up a lot on stuff from them. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, see, Danny D, my coaching with you was almost 3 hours. I had to cut you off.
Do you guys teach on this channel? Yeah, I mean, sometimes we'll give education,
Yeah.
like I did today on the Pivot Hunter, and Javi will do that on the Quantum. Yeah, every once in a while, we'll
Yeah.
definitely give some education on here.
Oh yeah.
Obviously, everybody has to invest in the actual, like, pure education that we spent hard time for, that other people have invested into, but we give some stuff here. How do you trade on your phone? That's a whole question you got to get with Javi about. Javi, I cannot do it.
I do have a YouTube channel on my phone set up, and kind of a little explanation on how I use the DOM a little bit, but I am planning. I got a lot of people asking me to make a video on the DOM itself. So I will do a DOM video and how I use it. A little bit of sauce in there because I do use the DOM as a confluence, but you know, it's a cool tool for me personally. Like I love the freaking super DOM. Like I love it. So I will make a video on that in the near future, probably after the event. Like this month has gone by in the blink of an eye. I've had coaching sessions every day, um, doing the stuff with the kids, then the meetings, and trying to prep for the event. Like I feel like this month has gone by in the blink of an eye. Like it's the
This is the
freaking
longest fucking
15th.
month of my life.
Are you
Longest fucking
serious,
month
bro?
of my life, dude. Yeah, I've been doing so much shit. Fucking longest month of my life. It's the 15th. I thought it was fucking March. Holy fuck.
Like I feel like I blink, like after the show I blink and I'm asleep. Like that's it. Like I have like
Dude,
3-4 hours after the show, and then
like
that's my free time.
I feel like it's fucking summer already. All right.
Yeah.
I'm not going to trade anymore. Solid fucking power hour. Solid trades. We had like one or two small losses, and then we caught some bangers that worked out later on. Good power hour.
Yeah.
We've been cruising.
Yeah,
Even
it
with
was
shitty
fun.
price action, we managed to catch those nice little trades that play out for us. With that, let's give away some shit. Let's start on YouTube. Everybody on YouTube, do me a favor. Go ahead and type power hour. Power hour. Power hour. Javi, we got 158 people. So if you can give me a number 1 through
Nice.
158, everybody type in power hour.
All right, got it.
How do we
106.
do? How does Max do the fucking? I gotta
Yeah, how
figure
does
that
he
out.
do that thing?
I gotta
Yeah,
figure that
that
out.
thing is cool. Like it'll be so much easier.
Yeah.
Pop out participants.
I'm just over here fucking stopping and then counting. He uses a bot. I gotta figure that out. All right. Well, I'm over here counting 158. Good power hour today. I agree, J-Bone. All right. I'm gonna go from the top, and we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Keep typing it. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 53, 54, 55, 57, 52,
Very
53,
nice.
54, 55, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 59.
Nice consistency there, farmer. Keep it up,
Logan
brother.
Logan is the bot. Yeah. So I need someone.
Logan is the
I can't pick it, so I gotta literally fucking count. Oh, now we have 213 people fucking watching. Fuck me. All right. Fucking I'm stopping right here.
Paula. Paula's dirty. She heard me saying a dong video. Paula.
Just pick a random person from the chat. I don't know how we
Take your
fucking
mind
does
out the gutter.
it. All right. We got the winner is whoa.
But people did think I said my dong is going crazy, or my dominatrix was going crazy. I went there.
Min Don 3449. Min Don 3449.
Let's
open
go,
up a
y'all.
support
Let's
ticket,
go.
get access into our Discord. If you don't open up a support ticket, congratulations. You want access to any of our indicators free for an entire week.
Heck yeah.
Mindon, congratulations. Mindon 3449. All right, Javi. Now we're gonna do one person in our Discord. One person in our Discord.
All right. Random number.
And then we're gonna go back to YouTube. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8.
All right. What do we got in here? God. All right. Number is gonna be 85. 85.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm retarded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5. Oh, this is the guy who just fucking keeps spamming shit. All right, let's see if he comes up. The farmer trader, Spania Guten. Guys, don't spam in the Discord. Don't spam in the Discord. I don't give a fuck why you guys type in Power Hour in the Discord. Farmer Trader, got to turn your camera on.
We got the best members, I swear. Can't spell, can't follow directions, all degenerates.
500.
Hello?
Yeah, you got to turn your
Can you hear me?
camera on, dude. You got to turn your camera on.
Oh. So how can I do it in Discord? Voice. Okay, I try on my phone. Discord. Let's do it on my phone.
Paulin's on one today. Oh yeah. That's good.
Hello?
Let's go seeking profit. Hello.
How are you?
What's going on, brother? How's your trading going?
Since it started good, in January very good, but in December it was not good because I started in December of trading. So yeah.
I think everyone is shocked because they see. I know you guys what you guys are thinking because you guys listen to his accent. We're expecting something else, right? Right? I saw comments call ice. They were expecting.
Where are you from?
Mexicano.
Where are you from?
Originally I'm from Norway, but I live in Spain.
Okay, originally from Norway, but you live in Spain. Cool, man. Well, hey, go ahead, open up a support ticket. Mods will help you out, and you get access to any indicator free for an entire week. Congratulations, brother.
Okay, thank you.
Congrats, bro. Have a good one, bro.
Looks
I
great.
heard the accent too. I saw it pop up. I was like,
He looked
wait a
very
minute.
confused. He looked very confused.
Yeah,
All
he
right.
did. Hey, you guys saw it before I did. I was already thinking if I was gonna say nothing. 11 twice.
Again, in the YouTube, everybody type in Power Hour. I'm going to pick a random person. Logan hates talking to us. Absolutely true. All right.
Way to go, Daja.
And I'm going to just click in 3, 2, 1 here. Frogstar 911. Frogstar 911. Go ahead and open up a support ticket. Congratulations, Frogstar 911. You won access to any indicator free for an entire week. Frogstar 911.
Silver did pop. Damn
I'm
it,
waiting
I
for
knew
one
it
of these
was
people to be
coming.
somebody that's been banned, and they're like, "Hey, so I can't get access to the Discord because I got banned." All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna give away an FFF account. We're gonna do that in the Discord. We're gonna do it in the Discord. So, Javi.
All right, let's do it.
358. 358.
All right, number will be 139.
1, 2. Yeah, my YouTube is Frogstar1911. It's different than my Discord. How do I do it? It's me. Open up a support ticket. The mods will figure it out. 1,
Looking
2,
forward
3,
to it. Sticking
5,
profits.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Thank you,
12,
brother.
13, 14, 15. What do I keep doing that for? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 139, you said?
139. Yep.
Intrepid Mind. He's like an OG student of mine. And a Mastermind student and a quantum user.
Intrepid Mind.
Hey man, I can't get on video right now, so you should toss this to someone else who needs it.
All right, brother. Thank you for the honesty.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, brother.
All right, let's do another one.
What's up, Uzi? All right, let's do another one. Next number will be 183.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3. Fuck you, Paulin. Let's do another one. You didn't win shit. Javi froze. Javi, go ahead. Let's do another one.
I froze? Son of a.
No, you're good. I thought you froze.
Okay. Next number 164.
3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think I've ever seen this guy before, but he is a Mastermind student. Oh, did he leave? Oh no, Daniel Ted. Daniel Ted. He's a Mastermind student. I like it's funny that Nate Dogg is here and he frustrated, like he doesn't get called up for an account. He could buy fucking all the accounts. Daniel, what's going on, man? How you doing?
I'm good.
How's your trading going?
I started off quite well,
Hear
but
that,
like,
Hobby? How it started?
yeah,
Go
these
ahead.
past few months have been kind of hard.
Yeah, I mean, December's a tough month, even leading into January, right? We got the holidays, the lack of volume, major economic news. It definitely hurt some people in trading. It's not ideal a lot of the time. But as long as you follow your rules, keep your risk management, shit's been going well. This is a phenomenal week. This has been a great week for me compared to the last 3 or 4. As long as you're just patient.
Honestly, I've been saving up a bit from my part-time job to be able to. I've actually lost like every single account, but it was only like 2 fundeds and a couple evals, but
Still,
I had
shit
to
adds
move
up,
on.
right? Yeah, shit's not free. Shit's not free, right? So it's a pain in the ass. How long you been trading for?
My first ever account was on July 2025.
Okay, so you're still a fairly new trader, right? Barely in 6 months, 7 months. So keep your head up, right? We're leading into the good months now. Also, you just want access to an FFF account. So you've been saving up. Now you just got a free one, right? FFF
Yes.
account. And here's the cool thing is once you pass it, and if you get a payout, we have a double up program. So if you pass it, you get a payout, we're going to give you another FFF account. Double up program. All right, brother?
Hell yeah.
Thank you so much.
All right, man. Congratulations. Open up a support ticket, and we're going to give you an FFF, man.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, bro. Talk soon.
All right, bro. Take it easy,
See.
man.
All right.
Right.
Solid power hour, Robbie. That was good.
Yeah.
Good power hour.
Today and yesterday were actually fun, man.
Yeah.
There was decent movement. Like it's been.
Yeah, we've actually gotten some good volume. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's
So
choppy,
I'm
but then we get a
wondering
good move.
why.
Yeah.
But I'm wondering why there's no FOMC, there's no more major news. So I'm like, what's going on? We'll see. We'll find out. We'll find out soon enough. I'm a conspiracy set, so I'm already thinking out the box.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
All right, man. Solid power hour. You got anything for them?
Nothing new, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. YouTube gang, make sure you like, subscribe, tickle the bells, do whatever you gotta do. Quantum gang, I'll see you guys tomorrow after the morning show. We'll do a session then. Anybody else that wants to join the challenge, right? We're still early on. A lot of it is lessons, right? I do take trades with everyone, setups just like I do now. Make sure you guys follow our socials, YouTube, X, TikTok, and again, YouTube again. Make sure you guys check our channels out. PHP stuff, all on Logan's channel. Quantum stuff, all on mine. Thank you guys for joining us. Not financial advice for JJ's. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Awesome. Yeah, we are.
Oh, yeah. Tip the staff.
2,200 we've given away. We're on a 9-0 win streak for the year, 173-1 in total last year. So we're crushing it. We're crushing 128-day win streak. With that being said, guys, sign up for all our stuff. Courses, prop firms, code BDM. Sign up for Mastermind, Futures One, Hobbies Coaching, Jamie's Coaching, Coach's Coaching, my course, Lama's course, Lama's Indicator, Hobbies Indicator, Range Breaker, all this stuff. We got so many options that'll help you guys become a better trader, focus on your discipline, everything else. That's all I've got. Great fucking day. Great power hour again. See you guys tomorrow.
Peace out, everybody.